unboxing a bake-off box. So I'm going to open it up. It's the July 2021 bake-off box. No delays this month. This was on time. So it feels like very recently that I did the last one. I think it was about 2 weeks ago. But we're here again. So we got the July bake-off box, and the slogan they've put on it this time is, "Don't take the biscuit, make the biscuit." And I think those are words that we can all live by, as long as you then get to take the biscuit that you made and eat it. So let's have a look at what's in this month's box. Oops. Fold it down properly. All right, so first thing that we've got is our little pack of bits and bobs. Okay, ooh, looks like they've put an extra recipe in here. We'll get to that in a second. So the first thing on top is tips for the tent. So talking about chilling your biscuit dough before rolling it out, so that's handy. It's got some information about the biscuits and some more tips. It's also got the supplier spotlight. This time it's the vanilla, which comes from a company called Little Pod. Here we go. Then we've got our recipe pack. So we've got our ingredients list, what's in the box and what you already need. So again, I've seen this from emails that they sent, so I've already made sure I've got the right ingredients. And our recipe is strawberry and vanilla sandwich biscuits. So similar to before, we've got our fold-out double-sided cards with pictures and very clear instructions. They've been so easy to follow, these instructions, which is brilliant. These are easy, so I should have no problem with them. They look really nice and professional in the picture. We'll see what they look like when they are done. And yeah, it looks like we've got a bonus recipe for strawberries and cream sandwich biscuits. So this is done like a little booklet, this one. No pictures, but I suspect once we've made these, the techniques in this one will be straightforward and easy to do. So that's that, and my little pouch. And then our lovely Tom Hoagie postcard with the biscuits we'll be making. That's really nice. I love these. I'll have to find a way to display them, I think. At the moment they're in a box with the other bits and bobs you get. Perfect. Now to the fun bit. Well, the fun bit's baking, but this is the next fun bit. Always rip the paper. Okay, what have we got? White choco drops, the caster sugar, flour, plain white flour in this one, icing sugar, pure bourbon vanilla extract. It's a nice little jar. And we've got strawberry jam. So the vanilla extract is what comes from the supplier that they showcased, which is Little Pod in Devon. We've also got in here a piping bag, always handy, and the exciting bit, cookie cutters. These are sort of fluted, flower-shaped ones. They're double-sided. Straight, fluted. These are really nice. Aww. I do have a set of steel ones that are straight. They stack really nicely as well. And it's got measurements written on them. I didn't have this shape in this many sizes, so that's really nice. Oops, dropping them. Standard. Let's just put them to one side. Bro, I'll just see if I've missed anything. Last time I did miss an ingredient that had rolled under. So that's what's in the box. Really nice, always good quality ingredients. So what I'm going to do next is get myself set up to bake these. Let's see how long they're supposed to take. My bakes always take probably an hour longer than the recipe says because I mess around. 30 minutes plus 1 hour and 40 minutes cooling, chilling and setting, and then 15 minutes to bake. Shouldn't be too bad. So I'll do a little time-lapse video of baking and come back when I've got the final result. As always, usual disclaimer, I am an amateur baker at best, so this is not an instructional video, it's just a bit of fun really. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Bye! Hello! So I'm all ready to bake. I've got my ingredients prepped. I've read through the recipe a couple of times, prepped myself with my apron. So we're ready to go. The hints card that came with everything had some really good tips on it, stressing the importance of chilling the dough before baking and all that, so that's really helpful. So yeah, I'm ready to go. Let's get going. we're done. So here are, this is a plate of ones that look okay. And these are the ones that don't look so good. Things that went wrong. Not much I think went actually wrong. My thing is, I think it's just a bit too hot today, so the dough is really sticky. Either that or I underworked it. Being so careful not to overwork it, I might have overcompensated. Also, didn't check the oven in time to turn them around, so we've got some crispy guys, but they'll probably still taste good. The chocolate is barely set, but that's fine because it's just going to be a little bit sticky, and there is a chance that biting into them, the filling's just going to splurge out, so it might get messy, but we're going to give them a go anyway.
So Alan Hollywood's just walking into the shot here. How did the bake go, Leanne? I mean, you've got some that look kind of consistent and some that don't.
They're very inconsistent.
Should we give them a try and see if they...
I think
Let's have a look. What
this one looks, I think, the most like the pictures colour-wise. Yeah, you can see already slipping. Oh no!
Wow, it is ridiculously warm today.
Yes, so warm. Because the white chocolate has been setting for 15 minutes. It's just about set. Okay.
I like the design. This really well done. Fair play.
Some of them aren't. It's fine. Okay, this is going to get messy. I can tell. The jam's runny too.
Whoa! Yep, that is ridiculously runny. Look at that.
Mmm.
It's like a horror film.
We're going to drip on the others though. I didn't think this through. Can I put it on there? Put it on there. Didn't get much buttercream, I don't think. Or was that all? It's dripping. There's baking paper down here to catch it if you want. Look at that.
I think I got all jam on that one.
Well, the biscuit's definitely crispy. I mean, I wouldn't say it snaps, but it's close.
Is this the kind of biscuit you wouldn't want to snap for?
Yeah, you meant to have a snap.
So, some of them obviously got done a bit more than others. Like, I can almost guarantee these are going to snap.
But that is the wrong colour. It's meant to be this colour. This is the problem. So I think I probably underworked it, or it was just too warm. But, I mean, they're tasty, messy.
Yeah.
Not quite sure how giving these to guests would work.
Would refrigerating them for a longer period make it a bit more not dense but chilled, so we would hold its consistency?
Set up the jam a bit, because the jam is literally just straight from a jar. So it is just
and the
running.
cream's obviously making it slide as well, the buttercream.
So sliding.
There's a little bit of buttercream just on this hanging out. I'm just gonna...
He's being thorough.
That's good, it's got a nice texture to that.
It does go well with the jam. I may have had a spoonful of
It's a very subtle flavour to it, but it's nice.
Well, I think that's a success, mostly. We don't talk about these ones.
Is this like the Thor and Loki thing? Oh, he's adopted.
Yes,
these biscuits are adopted.
adopted.
Not that there's anything wrong with being adopted, I just want to point that out.
I didn't make these, the cat did.
Right. How'd you make such a mess?
But yeah, I really enjoyed. It was a little bit stressful, but I've enjoyed baking them, and I might have to give the bonus recipe a go, see if that goes any better, maybe when it's cooled down a bit. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like if you liked the video, and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to find out when we post more videos. Drop a comment below if you spotted me doing something wrong and you have helpful tips, that would be nice. Or have you made these before? Do you get the box? Have you made them with that? I think that's it. I'll put a link below to the Bake Off Box website if you do want to check it out and subscribe yourself. Other than that, that's it. Thanks again. Alan says thanks too. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.